We'll return the next question to Ms. Morrissey. Do you support letting outside groups, such as private schools or homeschool students, utilize school facilities and access athletic programs?
Question. Yes, I do. Because if they live in Forsyth County, they are tax-paying citizens. And I absolutely do support that. I have a lot of friends that homeschool. I have a lot of friends that have their children in private school. And particularly when it comes to phys ed, I know that the county actually offers programs through the County Park and Rec Department for the children to do phys ed. I think it's important that we have well-rounded students, and I think they need to be healthy. So if there is opportunities for them to do things within our system as taxpayers, I absolutely do support that.
I agree. We're a family in this county. It's a special county. That's why we moved here. It's a very unique place, and I won't calculate all the statistics. But these people pay taxes. They're good people. They have judgments that may slice off a little bit here and there versus ours in the macro. But let's work together. They do pay taxes. Let's let them be involved. Let's let them compete. Let's let them take advantage. There may be some revenue options here and revenue options there, and I'm fine with that. But let's really work together as a family here and raise the bar for everyone and take care of each other in this